What is up, tech fam? You know how it is, the tech world never sleeps, and right now, all the buzz, all the noise, is around a single phone leak that sounds absolutely bonkers. Forget incremental updates, I'm talking about a Nokia device that could redefine what a flagship is. We've got the whispers of the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G, and the rumored specs are pure science fiction, a massive 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, and a gigantic 8600 mAh battery. Today, we are diving deep into every single features, the price, and the launch date. If you're ready to see the future of Nokia, smash that like button, and let's get started. Features of the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G. Display and design. First up, let's feast our eyes on the display. The leaks suggest we're looking at a huge 6.8-inch Full HD plus AMOLED panel. That's already a recipe for deep blacks and colors that pop. But wait, it gets magic. The refresh rate. We're talking a lightning-fast 144Hz refresh rate. And for all you mobile gamers, check this out, a ridiculous 390Hz touch sampling rate. And to protect this beauty, we expect Gorilla Glass armor, and a seamless, quick-in-display optical fingerprint sensor. The camera beast. Alright, let's talk about the headline feature, the part that has the internet collectively losing its mind. The cameras. This isn't just a phone with a camera, this is a photography beast. The main sensor is rumored to be a staggering, unbelievable 200 megapixel lens with OIS. But it's not just a one-trick pony. It's a triple threat setup. We're hearing whispers of a 50 megapixel ultrawide and a 32 megapixel secondary sensor for insane versatility. And for the selfie nation, a colossal 64 megapixel front camera is to be on board. Power and performance. A powerful camera needs a powerful engine. So, what's under the hood? The rumors point to the elite, cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset. This is one of the most powerful mobile processors period. We're also hearing it could launch with the latest Android 16 OS. Battery backup. Okay, if the camera blew your mind, prepare for liftoff. This is another area where the leaks are absolutely insane. We are supposedly getting a gargantuan, massive, unbelievable 8600 mAh battery. But when you finally need to power up, rumors suggest 120-watt super fast charging. Think about that, a battery this size, charging from 0 to full in a fraction of the time. Price and launch date. So, what about the deal breaker, the price and the launch date? This phone is expected to be priced around $750. That would put it squarely in the mid-range category, making it an absolute flagship killer. As for when you can get your hands on the Nokia X300 Ultra 5G, the rumors suggest a launch by the end of this year.